What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Terra Luna here, and as we can see, it's been having a very significant rollover over the past kind of week or so, hasn't it? And we think this is, this has quite a lot to do with, we've seen the UST MIM stablecoin spinning up, yield obviously kind of getting smashed down, and a lot of faith being lost in MIM after the whole Wonderland time fiasco that we have been seeing. And I think this has also had a knock-on effect with Luna as well. We can see here that Terra, it kind of came down and had a big correction, didn't it? Over the past few weeks, really, ever since this time fiasco began. It was looking pretty bullish in general, wasn't it? Where we were basically looking at coming up, just making higher highs and higher lows. We hit that $100 mark, didn't we? We had a nice retracement back down to the 161 here. And we were heading back up, and then this whole fiasco kind of began. And it looks like we just, basically got forced to the downside even more. The sentiment flipping quite bearish for Luna in general. And for the Terra ecosystem, I think that obviously the UST is a heavy association with Abracadabra, and then by association Wonderland time has obviously led to Luna having quite a significant rollover here. You can see we pulled our fib from this level here to this level here. You can see how well these levels have been respected all the way up. Very nice indeed. Resistance support, resistance support, resistance support, resistance support. We hit $100. Where we were starting to see, potential bearish divergences here. Where you can see the RSI is starting to round off here, but obviously with $100 being a big psychological target, you'd expect a lot of profit taking in these areas. Especially if people have bought Luna for less than $1 and it gets to $100, you're thinking, yeah, maybe people are probably going to start selling. So you can see here we sold, we come back down. Very nice little correction here. You can see we were expecting, our first support to be something like this, where basically we had this ascending channel like this, didn't we? And basically what happened was we lost that support, so we rolled to our next support down at around $66, which was the 161 here. We get a little bit of relief, and then you can see here with that bearishness that we saw, we get that next capitulation rollover to our next fib level where we get the scoop, which is at the 141 here around $46, $47, obviously $50 being a big psychological support as well. And we do think potentially, we're heading towards the bottom here. You can see the last time that Luna was this oversold was back here when we had this huge capitulation down to $4 back in May. And then since then, you can see what's happened. Overall, we've got this massive bearish divergence here. When we hit $100, that was kind of the catalyst to come down, reset, get down to oversold. And you can see now, potentially getting a little bit of a pickup off this low, aren't we? I mean, you can see just like for most cryptos, if we just draw this in, just like basically every single crypto out there, we're stuck under an RSI downtrend like this, with the market selling off and selling off. And you could say, Luna's got a trend line like this, and maybe, a more aggressive trend line, something like that. But, realistically, you would say if Luna breaks out this trend line here, you want to see it come back up towards that 161 at $65 to $70 here to get a retest of that trend line. Potentially, resistance, capitulation, consolidation, and then bump and run like this. So overall, Luna, it's been smashed down, but this could be a great entry point for the long term if you think Luna's doing $500, $1,000, $2,000 in the next 5 years. Very likely, considering how good this project is. If they flesh out their ecosystem even more, we could see higher prices. So as always, before we do short-term price predictions, we would love to direct your attention to our free Discord in the description. Go check it out. So much good content being posted in there by the community recently. With our community is actually providing us with a lot of decent insight into some really new and potentially amazing ROI projects, etc. So go check it out. It's totally free. You might as well sign up. Go down there, click the link, get approved, Get involved in the community. It's amazing. Over 1,000 people in there now. Absolutely incredible. Growing by like 10, 20, 30, 40 people a day at the minute, which is absolutely amazing as well. Please go check it out. And then if you do want to get an edge on the market, as we always say, sign up to the Patreon in the link in the description. I think it's $9.99 a month. You'll get access to daily signals for Bitcoin. We've got alpha on potential 100,000 super risky, plays in the market. And we've also got maxi moves where we talk about our own personal moves, 10x cryptos in 2022, pretty self-explanatory, passive income plays, all kinds of good stuff. So go check that out, sign up and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, here you can see forming potentially, on the hourly time frame, maybe a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders like this actually. And obviously if we come up break the neckline here, we have got a technical target probably coming back up towards that 161, up here around $66. So right now Luna looking like it is bottoming out here. You can see that it has got, smashed down recently, but looking like, sooner or later we probably are going to see ourselves heading to the upside. So very simply, if we're rolling over that, that $46 level is probably going to be super good support at that 141. And then heading up, if we break this level at $53, we want to see ourselves coming up towards that $66 level, don't we, up here? And then beyond that, as we've said, numerous times for Luna, we do think this is a quality project. I mean, we could easily see it heading over that $100 mark in 2022, probably up towards this 227 extension at around $200, which would be absolutely incredible, wouldn't it? So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.